Want to practice B1 examination? Then yes, German Gyan is there for you with the exam prep classes of 7 days, 10 days, 15 days, 20 to 25 days. Huge. Have you subscribed German Gyan? No? Subscribe right now. Hi guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and guys, today's video is so much demanding as you know that Goethe is open, exams are open, everything is open. You can go and give the exams, you can fly to Germany. So I am here with the most demanding thing. Everybody was doing DM or the WhatsApp message or the emails that ma'am, we need the B1 syllabus. This is not a B1 syllabus, exactly the B1 syllabus. This is the topics which are very important for B1. So if you are aware of these topics, then yes, your base will be strong. So yes, are you ready to grab the B1 syllabus, the important topics which should be learned, which should be revised, which is a must for German language learners, especially for the B1 who are planning to give B1 exam. So are you excited? If yes, then click the subscribe button, like this video, and yes, let's get into the video. So guys, first of all, you should aware of pronouns. Now pronouns, we are having four types: personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, relative pronouns, personal, possessive, we are having reflexive, and we are having relative pronouns. So all these four you must be aware, very important. Passive, 10 types of passive you should be aware, because passive is a topic when you speak German with a passive, then you looks like a wow, like 10 types of passive must for B1 learners. So yes, I hope you are aware of it. Next, preteritum. Preteritum you must be aware. Please practice the preteritum verbs. Practice the conjugation for regular, irregular, every verb. If you are a German Gyan student, then you must be aware that I have given you the handwritten files for preteritum and the perfect verb, right? In fact, the present tense with the English meaning is also written, so that will be so much helpful for you, but that is only for the German Gyan internal students. So if you are a student, then yes, you must be aware of that. Second is perfect. Now perfect sein verb, at least we are having 40 verbs of sein if you are a B1 student. So that you should remember, because remaining all the verbs will be having havens, but that is very important. Next, NVDA, or you can say NVAD. These two are very important. Verb plus the compositive, that is again a very important topic. Fixed position, that is again a very important topic. Relative case, you must be aware. Normal plus genitive, these two both are important. Modal verb, the basic one, the present tense one, you will be aware, but you should be aware of the modal verb of preteritum and perfect as well, because these two are again very important. We will be focusing on all your 4 modules: expression, writing, hearing, speaking, everything. So you need not to face any problem. You just be confident and give your exam, and because German Gyan is having a great result. Preposition, accusative, dative, genitive, two-way preposition, all these prepositions are the base, so you must be aware of that. P1, P2, how you have to use with adjective. This topic is again a very important topic. Genitive case, of course, nominative, accusative, dative, and genitive, it's a new, so you have to remember it if you are a B1 student. Connectors, at least 15 to 20 you must be aware the common connectors. Again, the connectors we are having so much, at least 15 to 20 common connectors you should remember. Verb position 0, verb position 2, and verb position n ended, that all you must be aware. Double connectors, again very important. Unimodal verbs, again a very important topic. Guys, these all topics are important because these are the base of B1. If you are planning for the B1 exam, then yes, these you have to prepare. Modal verbs, like the perfect modal verbs, modal perfect, which you say, that is very important. Satzfrage, very important topic. Frage, Satzfrage, both you have to do. Comparative plus special case, very important. Please don't miss the special case. Normally students miss the special case. You don't do it. So yes, adjective, very important. Adjective topics, definite, indefinite, plus one articles. Please don't miss one articles. Normally students don't give the focus to one articles, but you should go. So one articles are very important topic. Fixed phrases, at least you must be aware of 10 to 15 fixed phrases, because if you know the phrases, then you can use in speaking pattern, you can write it, and that is very helpful. Spontanspression, zoo you must be aware, Norman, all these topics will help you so much. And if you are planning to get the B1 exam prep, then yes, German Gyan will help you with amazing prizes. We are having at least 15 to 20 sample papers which we normally make you practice. Guys, we will be focusing on all 4 modules, which is your speaking, writing, reading, hearing, everything. So you need not to worry. You just come, practice and fly with colors, because German Gyan will give you the depth knowledge of each and everything. Thank you so much. And if you are looking for A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, any level classes, then yes, German Gyan is there for you. You can WhatsApp me on 9643430783. Thank you so much for this video, and keep learning German with German Gyan. Thank you so much for watching this video, and yes, keep learning German with German Gyan. Cheers!